Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen stands as a literary masterpiece that has captured the hearts of readers for centuries. Published in 1813, this novel remains a remarkable portrayal of society, relationships, and the complexities of human behavior. Austen's wit, keen observation, and social commentary have made this novel an enduring classic. Society and class. Set in the early 19th century, Pride and Prejudice offers a window into Regency-era England's social hierarchy. The story revolves around the Bennet family and their interactions with the affluent Mr. Darcy and his circle. The rigid class structure of the time shapes characters' attitudes and choices, illustrating the constraints of societal expectations. Characters and relationships. Elizabeth Bennet, the novel's protagonist, is a remarkable character who defies convention. Her sharp wit, intelligence, and strong sense of self make her a feminist icon ahead of her time. Mr. Darcy, initially perceived as aloof and prideful, undergoes a transformative journey, revealing the nuances of human nature. Austen's portrayal of relationships is exquisite. The Bennet sisters' varying personalities and their pursuit of suitable matches highlight the societal pressures of marriage. Elizabeth's dynamic with Mr. Darcy, characterized by misunderstandings and personal growth, showcases the power of introspection and change. Irony and satire. Austen employs irony and satire to critique societal norms and the pursuit of wealth. Characters like Mr. Collins, who embodies obsequiousness and materialism, provide comic relief while highlighting the absurdity of conforming to societal expectations. And materialism, provide comic relief while highlighting the absurdity of conforming to societal expectations. Themes of love and prejudice. The novel's title speaks to its central themes. Pride and prejudice drive characters' actions, leading to misunderstandings and personal growth. The exploration of these themes underscores the transformative power of self-awareness and empathy. Subtext and social commentary. Austen's subtextual commentary on women's limited opportunities and the marriage market reflects the constraints placed upon women during the Regency era. Elizabeth's resistance to societal norms and insistence on marrying for love symbolizes a subtle rebellion against a patriarchal system. Austen's prose and style. Austen's prose is characterized by its elegance, wit, and incisive observation. Her ability to depict both the trivialities and profundities of daily life showcases her keen insight into human nature. The use of free indirect discourse enables readers to intimately connect with characters' thoughts and emotions. Legacy and enduring appeal. Pride and Prejudice remains relevant due to its exploration of universal themes and its portrayal of multidimensional characters. Adaptations, reinterpretations, and discussions continue to breathe new life into Austen's work, making it a cornerstone of English literature. Conclusion. Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice remains a timeless masterpiece, celebrated for its exploration of love, society, and human nature. The novel's characters, relationships, social commentary, and sparkling prose continue to captivate readers across generations. As a reflection of its era and a study of enduring themes, Pride and Prejudice stands as a testament to Austen's literary prowess and remains a beloved treasure in the world of literature.